Question number 1.
He dash not like to eat vegetables. A. Do. B. Does. C. Does.
Question number 2.
I dash playing football when it started to rain. A. B. Was C. Were.
Question number 3.
Dash you ever visited London? A. Has. B. Have. C. Had.
Question number 4.
I have lived here dash 5 years. A. Since. B. For. C. From.
Question number 5.
My friend always dash me good advice. A. Give. B. Give. C. Gave.
Question number 6.
That is dash interesting idea. A. B. And C. The.
Question number 7.
They dash watching the movie already. A. Have finished. B. Finishes. C. Finish.
Question number 8.
He dash to school every day by bus. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Gone.
Question number 9.
The cake was divided dash the children. A. Between. B. Among. C. Into.
Question number 10.
She dash breakfast before going out. A. Had. B. Have. C. Having.
Question number 11.
He was punished dash his mistake. A. Because. B. Due to. C. For.
Question number 12.
Broke down means A. Fixed. B. Stopped working. C. Started.
Question number 13.
We met a man dash I knew you. A. Which. B. Who's. C. Who.
Question number 14.
What is the antonym of generous? A. Kind. B. Greedy. C. Helpful.
Question number 15.
She is proud dash her success. A. On. B. Of. C. At.
Question number 16.
Would you mind dash the door? A. Open. B. Opened. C. Opening.
Question number 17.
If I dash rich, I would travel the world. A. Was. B. Were. C. B.
Question number 18.
she dash in the garden for 2 hours. A. Has worked. B. Have worked. C. Worked.
Question number 19.
I'll call you when I dash free. A. Will be. B. MC. Would be.
Question number 20.
A group of lions is called a herd. B. Pack. C. Pride.
Question number 21.
I hope you dash enjoy the show. A. Will be. Would see. Shall.
Question number 22.
Dash it rains. The match will be cancelled. A. If. B. Unless. C. Though.
Question number 23.
I prefer tea dash coffee. A. Over. B. To C. Than.
Question number 24.
He has been here dash 9 a.m. A. Since. B. For. C. From.
Question number 25.
The synonym of angry is A. Calm. B. Furious. C. Kind.
Question number 26.
What does hit the books mean? A. Go to bed. B. Start studying. C. Throw books.
Question number 27.
The bag is too heavy dash carry. A. For. B. To see. That.
Question number 28.
They arrived dash the airport late. A. At. B. To see. In.
Question number 29.
I dash watching a movie when he called. A. B. Was. C. Were.
Question number 30.
There dash a lot of people in the hall. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 31.
The boy was punished dash being rude. A. On. B. For. C. By.
Question number 32.
Piece of cake means A. Something difficult. B. Something easy. C. A sweet item.
Question number 33.
He apologized dash being late. A. For. B. Of. C. About.
Question number 34.
His handwriting is better dash yours. A. Then. B. Then. C. That.
Question number 35.
dash he work hard, he would pass. A, if B, had C, should.
Question number 36.
The teacher told him dash quiet. A, B, to be C, being.
Question number 37.
Choose the correct sentence. A, he do not play. B, he does not play. C, he did not plays.
Question number 38.
The plural of mouse is A, mouses, B, mice, C, mouse.
Question number 39.
I enjoy dash to music. A, listen, B, listening, C, listened.
Question number 40.
He said that he dashed the book. A, has read, B, had read, C, read.
Question number 41.
The baby is sleeping. Please be dash. A, quietly, B, quiet, C, quit.
Question number 42.
She speaks English dash than me. A, fluent, B, fluently, C, more fluent.
Question number 43.
That is the girl dash won the prize. A, who, B, whose, C, which.
Question number 44.
My brother is afraid dash the dark. A, in B, of C, for.
Question number 45.
I am not interested dash politics. A, in B, on C, with.
Question number 46.
I met a man dash speaks 5 languages. A, who, B, which, C, whom.
Question number 47.
Let's go dash a walk. A, on B, for C, in.
Question number 48.
He always puts dash his homework. A, off, B, out, C, over.
Question number 49.
They dash friends for many years. A, have been, B, has been, C, had.
Question number 50.
The sentence she was laughed at is A, active, B, passive, C, present.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.